only for red, gold and green. You see me I say? Yeah man, you see it? So me have to deal with that. Proper. I like that red too, man. Too much gravy, man. Yeah man. Yeah man.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them I want hear me mother drink sorry.
Genocide my place, you know. Just a roll in, you know. Yeah, man, the pot up on the fire right now, you know.
Italian spice.
Oh!
Yeah,
Everything. I'm gonna have everything, you know. I finish everything. I'm gonna come take a better view. You hear that?
Now come take a bigger view, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, yeah, man. Just give me a couple more minutes. See me? Let's take a proper view.
Straight. What I cook today?
Eat one specialty. You know, rice and peas and chicken. Rice and peas and chicken, you know.
Yes, shit.
Yeah, man, half pound of slice fish on the side, you know. Actually, they're in about, you know what I'm going to muffin. Actually, they're in, you know.
Kaki can't work for another day.
Yeah, man, I just cook down the brown shrimp so the Aki night, you know. Good so.
That's all like the Italian spice.
Yeah, man, coming up. Whoa! Alright. It's brown show. It's brown show, all the party are going night. You never get the curry, the brown stew yet, but you don't put the menu there.
So you say I put the brown stew chicken with Aki? Italian spice.
Yeah, man, go play with it, man. Spice!
Yeah, real creative stuff, you know.
Not the man favorite,
yeah.
Different thing with the pan right now, rice and peas. Well, shelly.
Well, shelly.
All the butter, pepper, onion, and tomato. Rice and peas.
Brown stew with Aki.
The man came and finish up in
national dish that, yeah?
Oh man, national dish.
It's national dish, man. That's why the man yeah, be the national dish.
Yeah.
White rice and chicken back.
Straight curry chicken back.
Okay, how come people think? Yeah, man. White rice and chicken back. Our national dish back.
Yeah, shit. They might try and spoil that thing now, yeah.
Yeah, furthermore, nobody can spoil it.
Yeah.
We style it.
Yeah.
Spice it.
Spicy.
Yeah, man.
Italian spice.
National dish. White rice.
And curry chicken
back.
Straight.
I tell you, enough pepper.
Yeah.
I can't start shout to people think.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Wow, Manchester United, big up.
Big up.
Big up Manchester United.
Oh.
Yeah, man, Chelsea, big up too.
Yeah. Two.
Champions League.
Two. Big up two. And that two. Them say big up two.
What? Yo. Big up Manchester United.
Yeah.
Big up Man City.
Cheers.
Big up Chelsea.
Two.
Big up Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Liverpool, the champion of England right now. Yeah, man. Sorry, Mourinho, you couldn't make it, but you see?
Big up Chelsea too.
Big up Chelsea too.
Two.
Two. Yeah, man, Chelsea. Gonna say there's no one in the league.
Yeah. There's no way.
There's no one in the league, man.
No way.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Top 4, you see?
Top 4, yeah, David.
National dish, make a look up right now.
Alright then. Yes, Mason Black. Watch it there. Where man is my splash? Yeah. Splash. What do you mean? Baja. It's a type of splash. It's not splash, it's a splash.
No, step one.
Yeah. See it there?
Color red.
What's up, color red?
Color red. White stone.
Manu.
Where is the fella?
Quick and fast.
Alright then, type is splash and show them.
Quick and fast.
See him here.
Yeah, coming up there, so you don't want it.
On the dashboard.
Yeah, you don't want it. Yeah. Alright, you see anywhere west? I'll go back.
Yeah.
See if on a drive part.
Right, you know. More tell you your own side.
Alright, you see that now? You see that?
More tell you now. Think more tell you now. I'm engineer, Mario. That's the problem here. I'm not engineer, I'm there.
Yeah.
Everything I do is on the other side.
See up in another hole.
Alright, push up that one again. Alright, Joe, you see it?
Chop a proper thing I did, you know. Yeah, man, you see it, brown stew, you know. Yeah, man, cause we curry yesterday, you know, brown stew chicken, you know. That's a nice chicken back. Come back home. Come back home, chicken back. Johnny, nice and chicken, you know. Yeah, man, see the aki, that you cook an aki today, you know. Sliced fish.
Slice fish.
Yeah, man, just cut it off your morning, you know, can cook some breakfast, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, see that? Brown stew. Yeah, man.
Rice and peas and everything.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah.
Rice and peas ready.
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
Fine peas, you know.
Yeah.
So nobody watch the color paper. It's spicy.
Spicy.
Yeah, man. Nobody watch the color.
Yeah.
You see? Red peas, everything. I can start share and dig it up and still get different color.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Rainbow.
Yeah, man.
Rainbow
So
color.
just see rice and peas.
Rice and peas.
Yeah, man. So yeah, I want to go sliced fish now. I get to the sliced fish. Yeah, man.
It's Italian spice.
Yeah, man. Some nail it, yeah. Yeah, man. See how you now, you see? Ready, you know, you see?
Brano.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see? I'm going to cut my seasoning now, like my onion, my tomato, my pepper. thyme, everything, and I eat that. Yeah.
Brown stew.
Brown stew, you know. Yeah, man, more slice fish, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You see? Yeah. Slice fish, scale it up and proper fry, look at flour on it, you know? French fry thing again. So, time keen to come back and I see the proper view over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I just cook down and I see everything in like seasoning and you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Is it?
Up and running.
Only for thing.
My general.
Pepper, scallion, thyme.
Boy in the kitchen.
I'm garlic, you see?
I'm down with the thing. Yeah.
Yeah, in the kitchen, you see? I'm just look a piece of slice which half pound, you know? Try back.
I cook to the rest.
I can cook tomorrow.
Tomorrow I keep.
Yeah, tomorrow I put the aki like
yeah, breakfast.
Yeah, man, so brown stew me work on right now. Yeah, man.
Brown stew.
Yeah, man, work on brown stew right now, you see?
Cool, man.
Work on brown stew. After your morning. After your morning, you know?
Yeah.
Then with starfish, I want green peas tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Brown stew me I did it right now.
Delgado spice, man, Italian spice.
Yeah, man, I'm not going to go to the gym, but me for going to butter bean on the gym.
Yeah.
I baked bean and chew tonight. See what I say? I'm a people, man. We still get proper fruit, but we don't cut up the seasoning, you know?
Yeah, see there?
Yeah, man.
The stew are going to simmer down.
The thing, you know, man. I don't know what the place man call me, this morning I tell you thing.
Yeah, about.
Don't have the thing now, man, me I tell you.
True.
Don't have the thing now, the thing now.
Oh, there.
The thing out there. Worldwide, me I talk about. Worldwide.
You don't watch it, look, people. I tell me, see, cover some sugar water on it. I simmer down.
Yeah.
I simmer. You see it? Yeah, man. So the soup get better for you to see them cut up. And you go and simmer down, eat some story. They just cut up onion, pepper, sweet pepper, tomato. You see that? Yeah, man. Straight. Yeah, man. Straight. Yeah, man. A piece of slice fish. You know? You think of cook little more.
Yeah.
So we get a piece more slice fish, but I'm going to cook this first. Then it down.
So circle by the kitchen
Alright,
again.
circle back next 20 or 10 minutes time, you know? Everything up and running.
Alright, let me get that.
Yeah, man.
Delgado chef.
Yeah, man, straight in the kitchen, man. Now watch your shirt, my shirt there, man.
Time, man.
Yeah, man, hold my shirt there, man. See me? Good life, everything there, you see me? Yeah, man, you see?
The time, man.
What time hot? Summer no time hot. Wait, man, you see?
Nice.
See me? Come on, just give me the next 15 minutes, you know?
Yeah, circle by the kitchen.
You know? Yeah, man. Alright, people, fuck them, the use and you know? Respect and honor to everybody out there, you know? Yeah, respect the people out there, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody, respect for me, you know? Love for me too. You see? Jenna, I'm there, man. Yeah. Man, key, just the plate and the fork, so good, man.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, man, yeah. No, so, talking about Yaga. Yeah, man.
Boy, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Delgado.
Yeah, man, straight, you see it?
Circle by the pot.
Yeah, man, see that?
So that means I'm ready, you're ready.
Ready in a 20 night, you know. You see me? Can't work, man, yeah?
Yeah.
Can't work, man, see that?
Italian plate ready.
Yeah, man. Fuck there too, you know. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Say, everything on the pot,
Yeah, man, so I got an iPad.
Yeah, man, start off, man. See that?
Italian.
Beach, you know?
Oh,
Yeah, man, fuck.
Scobish.
Yeah, man, Scobish down and thing, man, you see it? Yeah, man.
Yeah, things are going on, man.
Yeah, man, all the Italian spikes, and look at the spikes, I'm so.
See there?
Yeah, man, see them there. All the spikes, you know? Spikes, them. See them? Yeah, man.
Jaja.
Yeah, man, proper. Look at the okra them. Look at the okra them, and the
Things turn up.
look, red, gold, and green around the edge, them. See, I say, yo,
Color.
red, gold, and green, you know. That's what you see, yo, I tell you. Yeah, man.
Pretty boy, yeah.
Straight.
Shit, me not lie.
Yeah, man.
Yo,
Look
chef,
good,
you're
man.
going wicked, me not lie.
Yeah, man.
That
Yeah, man.
means somebody did not go up today.
Yeah, man. Most man, see that?
You see, man?
Yeah, man. Up your thing there, you know. You see it? See, yeah, man.
Right, man.
Alright, watch this now.
Yeah, alright.
No, leave that for last, man. See that? Leave that for last.
See there?
Whoa.
Alright, whoa.
Brown stew chicken.
Brown stew chicken.
Yeah, man, see that?
No chicken back.
No, because we can't get chicken back hard, forget, you know. Come back home, chicken back.
Yeah.
Come back home.
Yeah.
Chicken back hard, forget. Come back home, I beg you know. I want back chicken back, you know.
Straight.
Boy, go for Anjo. I beg bring back chicken back now, I beg you.
Yeah, send back
man.
chicken back now.
I want chicken back gone, you know. Change it a pound in the chicken cheap.
Yeah.
Need back chicken back. Drop back our original price.
Yeah.
Need it, dada. Watch it, look watch it. We need we have to eat chicken, we tired of chicken. We need back chicken back.
Yeah.
And chicken back make the girl them fat.
Yeah, yeah.
You know chicken back, you know I love chicken back. And the ladies them love it.
Sure.
The ladies them number one. A proud. Boy, chicken back. Come back home, man.
Yeah, how you gone?
Boy, I don't know chicken back gone. Come back home.
That's true, you talk about chicken back too much, you know, them take it off of the market.
You know what I'm saying? She's too chicken fat. Some woman them eat the chicken, boy, come a drop shape, you know. Be a chicken, we need chicken back, we fat up at the girl them.
Yeah.
We need chicken back, man. Yo, want back chicken back.
Chicken back, come back.
Yeah, man, come back, come chicken back, man, because we eat too much mackerel and butter bean right now.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah, man, we need chicken back, man, see that? Whoa, chicken. Hold up a chicken, you see?
Yeah. Whoa. Up and
Yeah, man,
running.
up and running, you see it?
Italian spice.
Yeah, man, you see it still.
See there?
Yeah, man.
What else we have in the kitchen?
Proper cook, yeah, man. So the water boil, you know, say, the water for stay for last, man.
Oh, water.
Man, the water boil for the ackee for your morning. Yeah, man.
I give you a morning.
Ackee for your morning. Breakfast, proper breakfast. See there? Yeah, man, I show you what go in the kitchen, man. See there?
Rice and peas.
Jamaican mixed with American.
Chano.
See there? What about watch the colour, you know? People watch the peas in my ball out night. What about peas? Watch peas. Watch peas.
Peas are ball out.
Yeah, man. So you know what you call it? Spikes up everything.
Yeah.
Country pepper in night.
See there?
Scallion in night.
Yeah.
Thyme in night. All the thing.
Everything in there.
Yeah, man.
That ball out.
Yeah, man, see the peas in my ball out night, people. Watch it. They don't see it. And the foreign peas, so I love it. Yeah, man.
Give them a foreign try.
Mixed with Jamaican. Yeah, man. Jamaican style, you know. American mixed with Jamaican, you know. Yeah, man, see that? See that? See people, the peas, them up.
Up. Them a ball out.
So we really can have the plate in there already. You see? I have 20 plate tonight, you know, so it can work.
Can't work.
It can work, man. So that's it.
So you bring it around on the side. When I say I do it.
Well, the man I'm ready to tell them so ready. Them say I'm forward.
Oh, okay, the man forward.
Yes, so I line up Barger, Mason, Kakis are ready with me. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Let's get work, man.
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Anything you say?
Yeah, man. I'm ackee for your morning. I want butter bean and the ackee for your morning.
Straight.
That's saltfish, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Butter bean and ackee and saltfish.
No, we're not for saltfish. The saltfish are uptown people thing, you know. Yeah, man, but butter bean can work with the ackee, you know. Look at black pepper, look at spices. You see what I said?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You need saltfish, you know. You just work with it, you know.
Yeah, straight.
Yeah, man, can work, man. 25 fat in the back, you know.
Yeah, like 20
20
plate.
plate, you know, so over.
Over.
Yeah, man. Whoa.
So a man can enter extra fork.
Yeah, man.
If it drop.
Man want 2 fork, him can get it, you know.
Yeah.
20 plate, you know, so 20 fork, we're working, you know.
It's straight.
So we're going to back 5 one side. You see that, sir? Yeah, man, Morgan, up now, you know.
Yeah, I'm ready, man.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
Ready, like how Morgan ready.
Yeah, man, ready, man.
I'm ready. So ready.
Yeah, man, we're there for the shearings.
Yeah, man, see that?
People them want to see the shearings. The water can boil.
Water, I'm going to chew in ackee, you know, because, you know, after the man, you know.
Yeah.
Bag it up, see that?
Bag it up already.
Foreign style, you know.
Yeah.
Straight from New York.
New York, New York.
Straight from New York, that come from.
By the bag.
What's the foreign ackee yet?
Nice chipping.
Yeah, man, you know.
We get to the sun, so it's on like a
And them time I for you, man, for some time down. Them time I for you, for some time down. Yeah, man. That is and that one.
Yeah, man, give me a ginger.
man, the general thing this man, you see it? Holy for okra. You see me I say? Yeah man. Holy for red, gold and green. You see me I say? Yeah man, you see it? So me have to deal with that. Proper. Line up red, man. Much great man, yeah man. Yeah man. Franco. Come on. Show it to me now. No. Come forward. See how pretty it's in the star. Not even first posted.
Carl, you're feeling. Yeah?
Yeah, give me a plate.
Give the car a plate. Carl, now run from that boat.
I'm a chef in the world, I'm a link with it now. You know that too.
So Carl?
Yeah man, you know that too man.
Here Carl, I tell chef of the world. With a big pot in the mouth, you know?
Yeah man, somebody in the car. You don't know New York, but I do New York right now, the whole of New York, and the president I cook for.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah man, you see it? Yeah man, the truck thing man. But I do New York right now, and the president I cook for.
Yeah, straight.
Yeah man, straight me I tell you, our thing spikes up, you know. The deal of our thing, you see it? Less fat. Yeah man, look up. One prince, you know. Eh? No, I said, no, it's a prince. The real food, yeah, I line them up and bring them around, man. I line them off, man. Drop the fleet, real, the tax line.
Ready up? Yeah man, go on, show me about that. Not my G, cool now.
Ready? Yeah, Italian style.
Italian.
Black. It's a black, the next minute.
Yeah.
The real one do this, so Taxman and black one. That's a print, see it?
Never fire.
Oh,
Fire one down.
No.
no, wait.
That's what it is. Baja there.
Baja.
Oh yeah.
We'll cook on some more rice right now.
Cook some more rice.
Yeah man. The rice and peas water man. This, my phone this, my sister on a fork. Yeah man, people, you don't carry for family.
Yeah, sure.
See it? Yeah, that now. Alright, watch this. 2 mace them get. Coxman on the rim, I'm going to one. That's 2 extra one there for anybody. I have left them on the come. I have rare in the come.
Yeah.
You see it? So, alright. Extra one there. Yeah, I'm going to rice that pot now to share out now. Look at prayer for me and look at you.
Wow.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.